The public display of Nazi symbols could land Australians in prison for up to 12 months under new laws to be introduced by the Albanese government. The sale of items featuring hate symbols would also be criminalised. But even before a bill has reached Parliament, there are predictions the ban will backfire.
Gestures of hate by a growing group of neo-Nazis on the streets of our biggest city, sparking a national crackdown.
There is no place in Australia for symbols that glorify the horrors of the Holocaust.
Those homegrown extremists who are trying to revive and resurrect Hitler's legacy through these emblems of inhumanity will no longer have the law on their side.
A new bill to be introduced to federal parliament next week will ban public displays of the Nazi swastika and SS hate symbols. The sale of Nazi memorabilia will also become a criminal offence, punishable by a maximum of 12 months in prison. The Attorney-General says the Commonwealth laws will complement legislation already passed in several states around the country.
And it's good to see that the federal government has recognised that this sort of hateful behaviour doesn't stop at state borders.
The use of the symbols for educational, artistic and scientific purposes will still be allowed under exemptions in the bill. The swastika can also be displayed for religious purposes, given its deep spiritual and historical significance among Hindus and Buddhists. But human rights lawyers warn the legal crackdown could provide an even greater platform for extremists to promote their hateful ideology.
And it would do that because prosecutions would actually be publicised. The more effective response would be if government would improve existing anti-vilification laws.
While the opposition has slammed the legislation for not including the Nazi salute, which the Victorian government has already vowed to outlaw.
The bill only deals with half of the problem.
This, if you like, is a beginning. If we need to do more, we will.
Samantha Butler for 10 News First.